We're from the DDP 4A and we're here to present PBT1 Python presentation. Here we'll explain the question, the coding information, and how we approach the question. First, I'll introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Amsyah bin Muhammad Syahidah, number metric 01DT23F1176.
And my name is Muhammad Haikal Aizam bin Abdul Rahim, and number metric is 01DDT 2023 F1029.
And my name is Ni'amah Iman bin Zulkarnain, number matrix 01DDT 23F1090.
My name is Muhammad Karim Solihin bin Muhammad Noor, number matrix 01DDT 23F1078. So here we will explain the question. In this project, our group has developed a Python-based system as part of our coursework for the software analysis and design subject. The main objective is to simulate a simple management system by writing, reading, and manipulating data from multiple files. Each group member contribute to the design and coding of his system. We chooses the title which fits within the context of real-world application and fulfills the given requirement. Okay, I will explain step by step in coding. Now we have step 1, declare the class and create the looping code. First step, we set our coding class with the name class ticket at here. And next, we start with our coding code by starting the new object, and main title in the program is the hospital e-ticket system by using print. Next, we use a while loop so that the process can be done many times for the user to enter input to select the desired option. And next, we provide the option to give the user the option to choose the type of action they want, such as write, append, or read the data that has been entered by the user. And next step, I give to my friend Ahmad Amsyah.
Thank you, Haikal. Next, I will explain step 2, which is to create function and selection. Next, we will create a function that the user will use to select what they want to do with the document. So here you can see if def write self, they give off what each option does. So 1 is to write doctor details, 2 is to write ward details, and 3 is to write patient detail. Here we use if statement to see which of the selection the user made. So if 1, then we will call the function doctor details with the argument w with as to signify the right. If 2 will be self ward details, and if 3 is patient detail, and if it's 0, then it will write all 3. The same goes for append and read. For append, it's the same. 1 is for doctor, 2 is for ward, and 3 is for details. And for read, it's also the same. 1 is for doctor, 2 is for ward, and 3 is for detail. And there's also a else statement, so it will say the user if they input the wrong thing. So in the user will enter the def right selection and allow the user to choose the right detail of the doctor, ward, or patient. And then I'll explain the in-depth more about the function. Here we can see the function doctor detail, ward detail, and patient detail. When the user has finished selection of the selection to write, then it will take the user to specific input selection. So when if the user selected to write the document, it will go to one of the three options. So first, maybe they want to write the doctor detail. It will see if the type is write or pen or maybe read. If for this example, we'll say write. So then it will run f open doctor detail text, open the file, ask the user to input the doctor's name and the doctor's department, and then we'll save it into the text document called doctor's detail. Same goes with the ward detail and the patient detail. So you can differentiate between all of this. Next, I will give to Aiman to explain the output.
Okay, thank you Alma for your explanation. Okay, today I will explain the output after we run the code. Okay, so first one is when we write the document, there are three options for user. The picture shows that user input number 1. So the number 1, it means that user want to write the document. Okay, next, after that, it shows 4 detail option, which is write doctor detail, write word detail, and write patient details. Then write all details. So user select the document to write, which is number 1, and it appears doctor name and doctor's department. So after that, user choose N for stop the program. Okay, this is the result after user input, which is Dr. Haikal and department dermatologist. Okay, next, append document. So the input is number 2, append document. Then select the details. Number 1 is append doctor details, and type info. It depends on user that they want to append. Okay, this is example for append document that it writes that this is for append. Okay, last is number 3, which is read document. When we read document, it read all the file that user choose. So the picture show that user input number 1 is doctor details. So the system read all the info in the document, which is doctor detail. Okay, next I will pass to the Soleh for test the coding.
Okay, thank you Aiman for explain about the output. So now my turn to show the demonstration to run the coding, run the program. Okay, so the first output the program will give to us is the hospital e-ticket system. So and next the program will ask you to choose what you want to do. For example, right here we have number 1 for write document, number 2 append document, and lastly number 3 for read document. So we'll do demonstration for each of these. So firstly we go for number 1, which is write document. So the next question the program will ask to us is we want to write doctor detail or write what detail, write patient detail, and lastly write all detail. So I will go for number 1, write doctor details. Enter. And then the program will ask will ask us to input the doctor name. So for example, I will put some. Then we click enter, and program will tell us to input the doctor department. So for example, I will put surgery, and then the program will ask we want to continue editing document or not. So if yes, put Y, and if no, put N. So I will no. So the program automatically exit and process end with code 1. Okay, so the data we already enter at here will automatically save at our file, which is I will show to teacher, which is here we have doctor detail, and when I open this file, the doctor detail will appear at here, Dr. Haikal Aizam, and then also department surgeon. Alright, so let's go try another one, which is number 2, append document. So I will enter number 2, and then the program will ask us about what you want to select the document to append. And number 1 for append doctor details, number 2 for append ward details, and lastly append patient details. So I will choose for number 1 also, append doctor details. So type info. So what you want to append to doctor details. So which is I want to put doctor photo. So we put enter, and then the program will ask us which is we want to continue or not. So I will say no. Then document will automatically exit. Okay. So now I will open the file, and then you will see the details. It already depends, which is here daughter go to holiday. It's automatically saved to our file. Which is okay. Now lastly we try to number 3, which is read document. So we go number 3, and then select the document we want to read. So which is so for example I will go for number 3, which is patient details, and then enter, and then the patient detail will appear here. Name Amma and also ID 09981. So the program will ask us about we want to continue or not. So if I say yes, so this question will be asked from the programming again. The first question. So this I want to we try to write document for patient details. So we go number 3, the patient name Aiman, and then patient ID number 01123. Continue editing document? No. Now we go to the file, and then go to our file, and then the patient detail will automatically save. Name Aiman and ID also 01123. So that's how the programming works. So thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.